Allure of the Seas has many cabin categories ranging from interior cabins to multi-$1,000 suites. And in this video, I am giving you a room tour of a Central Park balcony located here on board the Allure of the Seas. Before I get into it, a little bit information on this cabin. This is cabin located here on deck 14. 213. This is located one deck above the pool deck, which when we show you the room, I'll explain it's a kind of not good thing. But anyway, now on to the cabin tour for real. So we're here outside the cabin. Let's go ahead and head right on into this great cabin here. If you've seen my previous room tour on Allure of the Seas of a ocean view balcony cabin, well, it's pretty much the same exact layout. So we're gonna go ahead and show you this here. Let's go kick it off in the bathroom. As you can see in here, this is your standard bathroom on this size of ship. Nothing special in terms of differences between what other cabin categories have as a bathroom on this ship. You got, of course, your Star Trek bathroom. It's a little inside joke we have here on the channel for the viewers who aren't familiar with that. It looks like that teleportation tube in Star Trek. But yeah, you have your shower here. It does do the job just as it should. And again, I do like that on Royal Caribbean compared to some other cruise lines out there. They have this style of a curtain, if you will. Instead of it having an actual curtain, it's a tube. So it keeps the water in really good, doesn't mess up, you know, walking in puddles afterwards. You got yourself your towels and stuff here. Toilet down there. Sink as well here, and of course you got the mirror. You can see me filming the video for you guys. Hope you are enjoying it. Again, hit that like button and the subscribe button. Toiletry spots right here, and again, a lot of stuff for your toiletries. That's again a trend in this room. A lot of spots to find stuff. Speaking of that, there's more space for storage here. Now this is the important part of the room. I learned this last night here. This is your master controls powers wise. You got the bathroom down here at the bottom. Hopefully you can see that, and then you also have your light switches. One of these is for like the mood lights, I call them, and then other ones are for your whole cabin can fixture lights. But this is important here. You always must have this switch on if you're in the room, or else the air conditioning will not operate. So make sure you have that. Also, this room is a connecting room, so if you're staying with other people, you can use this if you ask to sit your room attendant, and you are, you know, both parties are agreeing to that here. You got yourself a vanity mirror here. And also located in some of these drawers is, of course, your hair dryer and Kleenexes, if you will, here. And the other thing too, this is the biggest complaint on this ship. The only thing I'm not a big fan about the rooms is you have that weird, very old charger thing. You have like the iPod shuffle thing here. No one uses that anymore. So it's the only thing that kind of dates it. Hopefully when the ship goes into this amplification dry dock, hasn't been confirmed yet, right? Hopefully they get rid of that. But of course, we also have the TV here, which we run the favorite channel of the show, the Bridge channel. We're running that on right now as we speak. You also do got a couch here. I am not sure if this couch pulls out in our stateroom. And then you have, of course, your two beds here. But there is more storage here. I forgot to mention this. You have your closet here. Here you have located your safe, as well as lots of shoe storage here. And then in here you have room to hang coats and stuff as well. I also have my flow rider board. You'll see that right there. Let me see. Get that open for you guys here. Actually, I have my flow rider board right there too. So again, a lot of room for storage in this room, which is a great thing to have, especially on a 3-night cruise. You don't need all the storage, but when the ship does go back doing 7-night cruises, whenever that is, it's going to be nice to have. That's for sure. Anyway, the reason you probably booked this room specifically is for the balcony. So let's go ahead and open the balcony here and head on out. As you can see here, this balcony, as most balconies on the ship, does feature 2 chairs. But this is the reason I was talking about earlier why some people may not be a fan of this, is because you can literally see the band stage of the pool deck right there in terms of noise. And then you can also see the pool of the pool deck too. So it's a little bit, you know, not in the best area in terms of where noises, as well as you can see everyone else's cabin too. Like you can see this guy down there, he's sleeping. So that's only the bad complaint about this room is, yeah, you're not in the best position in terms of noise, because yeah, it is quite noisy. Now, one good thing I do have to say about these doors on the ship is they pretty much block out all the noise. So I did mention that you can hear the band and you can hear all the noise from the pool deck with the music and stuff. But the good news is that door and those glass does a pretty good job actually blocking out all the noise. I can tell you that much. Like, I opened the door up one day and I was like, wow, it's loud. But then I closed the door and I was like, wow, you couldn't hear anything. It was pretty mind-boggling Anyway, that's going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching. That's going to do it here for this cabin tour here. If you like the video, give it a like, of course, and share it out so more Allure of the Seas future cruisers can be educated on this amazing cabin category.